How to move and transport the HP SmartTank 210, 520, 540, 580 through 590 and 5100 printer series. Prepare your SmartTank printer before moving it to another area to prevent ink leaks. Move the printer to a nearby location. First, press the power button to turn the printer off. Disconnect the power cord and any other cables. Remove any paper from the input and output trays. Lower the input tray. Close the output tray extender. Open the front door. Make sure all the ink tank caps are closed. Close the front door. Keeping the printer level, move it to the new location. Caution: do not tilt or turn the printer upside down. Connect the power cord and any other cables, and then turn the printer back on. Transport the printer to a far destination or service location. Press the power button to turn the printer off. Disconnect the power cord and any other cables. Remove any paper from the input and output trays. Lower the input tray. Close the output tray extender. Open the front door. Make sure the print carriage is all the way to the left. If not, gently move it to the left. Press down on the side of the printhead cover to release the cover. Make sure all the ink tank caps are closed. Insert a cardboard restraint into the printhead access area. Close the front door. Find a box that is large enough to hold the printer and packing material, such as the original box that the printer came in. Note: placing the printer in a box is not required for transport, but it helps prevent damage and accidental ink spills. Place the printer in the plastic transport bag provided in the original box or another plastic bag large enough to enclose the printer and packing material, and then roll or tape the top of the bag to make a seal. Pack the printer securely with the original foam or other packing material. Place the printer in the box and then tape the box closed. Keeping the printer as level as possible, transport the printer to the desired location or service center. Caution: do not tilt or turn the printer upside down. Once you have reached the new location, unpack the printer. Keeping the printer level, remove the printer from the box and plastic bag, and then place the printer on a level surface where you intend to use it. After unpacking, open the front door. Remove the piece of cardboard from the printhead access area. Push down on the blue latch to close the printhead cover. Close the front door. Connect the power cord and any other cables. Press the power button to turn the printer on. You are now ready to start printing. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.